My name's Ciara and this is Color Me Beautiful. And on this channel we like to do makeup videos like this one and art videos. So if you're into that, keep on watching. So I was scrolling through Pinterest one day and I saw this amazing picture and here it is. So that's super cute. I love that. And they're all based off social media apps. And I thought it was really fun to start a makeup series, and I know this has been done before and I'm kind of late to the game, but I'm doing it anyways. I'm gonna start a series of makeup looks based off social media. If you wanna know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Now this is what we're going for, and this is what we're starting with. I decided to do only half my face this time, instead of the whole thing, to cut down time. So here's my Facebook look, and yes, the logo's backwards. All I gotta do now is my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.